Hello everyone, my name is Arcadia Maciel, and today we're going to start with my presentation. Hopefully find you in good health, and let's get started. So as crazy as it might seem, according to the article New Scientist, we might have life around Venus, which is actually very interesting. And even crazier than that, we have about 9 million different type of species in our planet, and even more that we might not even know about. We also know that we have about 125 billion galaxies, so there might be life around there. So, does anybody know about extraterrestrial life? Anybody? No? Okay. So, today in my research, we're going to talk about aliens. The main points will be possible existence, characteristics, and their possible location. Okay? So, let's get started, okay? So first, the possible existence of aliens. The first question is where they are. Where can we find them? So we don't know for sure where they are, but they're out there for sure. Yeah. So many scientists believe that they're in different planets outside of our galaxies. We have 125 billion different galaxies, so they might be out there. The first book that it was written, it was in 400 BC, which talked about extraterrestrial life. We also know that different pyramids in Mayans actually talked about the aliens, which is actually very interesting since they've been around for years, centuries. The Trip of the Moon was actually the first actually film in 1902, and since then we've seen a lot of different movies. We've seen Aliens vs Predator. We've seen a lot of different movies that we all know about. So we're going to talk about characteristics of aliens. There's thousands of different characteristics. We've seen different movies. You see them tall, you see them small. Sometimes they're too smart. Sometimes they're dumb. They're not too smart. But yeah, there are different characteristics. Sometimes they have 4 hands, 2, 3. Different characteristics are adapting for the planets, but like I said, there's billions of galaxies out there, so there might be different types of aliens. We don't know how they look like, but they're out there. So right now we're going to talk about the possible locations. Like I said, there's 125 billion galaxies. There might be in our galaxy, there might be in another one. I mean, just our galaxy has 8 planets. Just imagine how many planets this other type of galaxies have. Yeah. So also different scientists believe that aliens might be out there. We don't know how, in what kind of planets. We don't know in which galaxies, but they might be out there in other type of different planets. So yeah, scientists actually understand the concept. Like I said, there's Mayans, there's Egyptians, there's different types of cultures that believe that there might be aliens. Our culture actually believes that there are aliens out there, and personally, I feel like they might be out there too. So, one of the devices that we use is called the SETI, which is the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, which helps us try to find the aliens in different type of galaxies. So our technology is not the best yet, but eventually we'll find a way to try to communicate with those in species. They might be out there, like I said. Yeah, well, guys, hopefully you find this interesting. Hopefully you knew about the aliens, which actually was interesting to me, and it was a new thing since I didn't know a lot about aliens. But after this research, I was able to find a lot of information, which was helpful. And hopefully everybody learns about the aliens too, because it is very interesting actually. You don't see, you might be out there looking at the stars, but eventually you'll just think about if there's different life out there. And yeah, I actually believe they might be out aliens out there, and it is very interesting. So yeah, I left my reference right here, guys, so you could see it, just in case you want to know about anything else. And yeah, we'll have a great day. Okay, guys, bye.